The Christmas Wealth Shift. Activate your 2025 prosperity now. Stop scrolling for just one moment, because what you're about to hear could become the energetic turning point of your entire financial future. Christmas isn't just a holiday. It's a global shift in emotional frequency, a powerful wave that you can ride straight into, becoming the person who knows how to build wealth in 2025. If this video found you, it's because something inside you already feels that next year cannot look like the last. Stay until the final revelation. Your prosperity may depend on what I'm about to share. Don't leave. This is the doorway to your next level. Every Christmas, millions of people enter a state of reflection, gratitude, hope, and renewal. That collective energy amplifies intention, and those who understand this can turn it into opportunity. There is a reason why so many millionaires say December is when their biggest ideas were born. They tapped into a mindset others ignore. This is your moment to do the same. Christmas is not the end of your financial year. It's the ignition. What comes next will shift your understanding of prosperity. Think back to your year. The challenges, the lessons, the moments where you wished things were different. Those weren't setbacks. They were preparation. Financial transformation rarely happens when everything is perfect. It happens when you're ready to think like someone who truly knows how to become rich. This Christmas, you step into that identity. You're not waiting for prosperity, you're choosing it. Stay with me. Your activation is beginning. Let me tell you about Michael, a man who felt stuck every December. Bills, stress, no direction. But one Christmas, he made a simple decision: to act like the wealthiest version of himself, even before seeing results. He planned differently. He spoke differently. He thought differently. 3 months later, opportunities he once believed impossible started showing up. Not magic, alignment. His story mirrors what can happen for you. Hey, future millionaire! If this message is awakening something in you, hit like as your first act of claiming abundance. Comment below, 2025 is my wealth year, and share this video with the word prosperity, because when you spread abundance, it returns multiplied. Now stay close. The most important part is coming. Wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with energy. When your inner state changes, your outer world follows. Christmas creates a rare emotional window where gratitude, generosity, and hope reshape the subconscious. This is the perfect frequency for attracting new opportunities, new income streams, and new levels of wealth consciousness. You are not building money, you are building capacity. You're rising. Don't slow down now. Your 2025 prosperity depends on one thing: the identity you choose today. If you keep thinking like your past self, next year will repeat itself. But if you think like someone who knows how to attract money, your life will shift in real, tangible ways. Wealth is not random. It's a decision reinforced daily. You're about to understand the Christmas wealth shift. Imagine entering 2025 with absolute clarity. Your goals, your direction, your discipline. That level of focus is magnetic. The universe responds to aligned people the same way success responds to committed minds. Wealth moves toward those who are ready to receive it. Not someday, but now. Christmas is simply the doorway. You are the one who must walk through it. Take a breath. The final revelation is here. Here is the truth. The Christmas wealth shift happens the moment you decide to stop living from your limitations and start living from your potential. Your 2025 prosperity is not waiting in the future. It begins with the thoughts you choose today. This Christmas, declare your rebirth. Not as who you were, but as who you are becoming. A creator of money, a magnet for opportunity, a builder of abundance. Your wealthy identity has just been activated. Subscribe to Money Mastery X and turn on the bell, because every video we release is designed to build the mindset, strategy, and identity of your millionaire future. And if you're ready to go deeper, join our member zone, where your transformation becomes unstoppable. This Christmas, prosperity didn't just arrive, you did. Go to the next video. Your wealth shift continues.